Check your coins, they could be worth a lot more than you think. With the price of silver now averaging, we'll call it around $50 per ounce, there are quarters and dimes that you may have that could be worth far more than the currency value. For example, if you have a quarter that was minted in 1964 or prior, the silver is worth about $8. Well, a dime is only worth 10 cents when you spend it. If it's the same year or older as that quarter from 1964, it is worth roughly 35 times that amount, or around $3.50. 1965 was an important year for coins because that's the year when the Coinage Act ended the use of silver in dimes and quarters. Half dollars also saw the percent of silver in the coin drop from 90% down to 40%. If you do find some of these coins that could be valuable, don't just run to your local pawn shop or jeweler to cash in on the silver price. You're far better off going to a coin dealer because there could be more value in the rarity of the coin than even the silver value. Due to the increased use of silver in electronics, medicine, solar cells, water purification, and other high-tech needs, consumption is now double what silver production is on a yearly basis. What this means is the demand is real. It's not like when the Hunt brothers tried to corner the market on silver in the early 80s and it rose to $50 an ounce before regulators stepped in, as demand now does come from real use cases. If you factor in inflation since the 80s, silver would have to exceed $200 an ounce today to be equivalent to $50 an ounce back then. And people wonder why we prefer investing in businesses over commodities in the long term. I do believe public companies will far outperform the price of gold and silver in the long run, as we do continue to look forward as well. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment. Feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.